All right, so we're working on this automatic chicken gate opener. They're really curious. It's by omelet.us, and you basically shim it through the gate, and then we'll cut this out here for the opening. Pretty neat. Then there's a control box that hooks up. I'll show you that. So we'll see how they do with it. All right, I'll show you more as we make some progress. All right, I got the chicken wire cut out. Made them a little open in there. Just trying to make sure I clean up the edges so there's nothing they can get hurt on. Probably had to go, I think I'm gonna go one more row in on there just to be safe. And then got to work on the control box and get it programmed. So I will show you the finished product, or as we go. Thanks for hanging around. So we got it installed. We haven't messed with the sensor yet. We're trying to. Papa Bear said, throw some worms in there. They'll figure out how to get in there. I was like, oh yeah, good idea. But two of them haven't quite figured it out. So I'll show you when we get it working. Just trying to get them in there first. So, all right, here's a little control panel. It's got a light sensor, and you can program it. They're freaking out, so I'm just gonna give them some space, let them figure it out. A couple of them still haven't figured it out, but hopefully it works. We make it convenient for us, especially leaving for a day or two. So, all right, like, favorite, subscribe, do all that. Omelet.us. Later on, I'll do a follow-up. So, all right, talk to you later.